everybody. In the last part, we made a CreateAI model and tested it on the Microbit. In today's video, we're going to understand the logic behind how the CreateAI model works. So what is AI on a Microbit? AI on a Microbit can collect data, train a model to recognize patterns, and use the model to do a job. An example of this is activity classifier. A real-life example of an activity classifier is when you have an injury or you're sick and you have a doctor's recovery plan. You can use an activity classifier to record your exercise. Now let's look back at last time's Microbit Labs, which is the action classifier. The materials needed were a wearable kit box, one microbit, a computer, a microbit USB cable, and a battery pack with batteries. So the first step was to prepare the dataset, and we have the jumping dataset and the walking dataset. So now we can look at the accelerometer. What is the accelerometer, you might ask? It is a small component on the back of the microbit and it tracks our X, Y, and Z movement. So the X is left and right tilt, the Y is forward and back tilt, and the Z is up-down elevation. Now, this is our data features for the data sample. So the blue line is the Z, the red line is the X, and the green line is the Y. So these different lines and colors represent different features. Now we have our data collection complete, so we can get into the part where it is more interesting. So let's first talk about data features. This is a table with the data of my family. So my brother is 5 and has different data features than all of us do. For example, I'm 9, and me and my dad can code, and my mom and dad are both the same age. So now let's find the data features in the table. And the average age is 22.5. The coffee drinking ratio is 2 out of 4 because my mom and my dad drink coffee, but me and my brother do not. And the coding ratio is also 2 out of 4 because only me and my dad can code. So now we can design a model to classify everybody. If the age is 22.5 or above, then it is my mom or my dad. So if it's 9, it's me, and if it's 5, it's my brother. Now, we can look at the gender. If it's male, it's my dad, and if it's female, it's my mom. So this is the simplest example of an AI model. Now we can look at the data features from our lab. So jumping, walking, and standing all have different data features. And in the jumping, the Z is very high because when you're jumping, it goes up and down. And when you're standing, the data features aren't very high because you're not moving at all. So the numbers are all very low. And in walking, there are 2 data features that are special, which is the sum of x and the root mean square of x, since when you're walking, your x is moving massively. Now we can look at the model training. In Microbit CreateAI, all you have to do is click a train model button, and then it trains the whole model for you. So what it did is when you're doing an action, it can recognize which one you're doing from the given data samples. Now we can look at model testing. So now let's test it out. As you can see in the video, standing is a straight line. Jumping is an up arrow. and walking is a sideways error. The bonus for today's video is for you guys to write your own AI training code. You can use AI or write it by yourself, and what it does is it's supposed to do the exact same as CreateAI, and it can recognize which action you're giving it through the data samples. And if you want to see me making the bonus code, you should also subscribe to my channel. Bye everyone, thanks for watching.